Bunny, our home looks so empty now.
Yeah, it does.
Are we going to be okay, Tom?
I think so. Last breakfast here. Everybody okay?
Not really, Dad. It's okay to feel sad, Tom. Bunny is sad too. This is my favorite.
I know, buddy. It will be safe.
Dad, what if I don't like the new city?
Then we will find something to like. Together.
I am drawing our house, so I don't forget it. That is beautiful, Lily. Can I put it on the wall in the new house?
Yes, first thing, I promise. I made cookies for your trip. I will miss you all so much.
Thank you, Mrs. Chen. You are so kind.
Bye, Mrs. Chen. You are the best neighbor.
I love you.
Tom, can you help me, please?
Got it, Dad. This is heavy.
1, 2, 3, lift!
Be careful. Bunny's things are in that box.
Is everyone ready?
Ready, Dad. We are ready.
Bye-bye, house. We will remember you. How far is it, Dad?
It's a long drive. 2 days. 2 days? What do we do for 2 days?
Sing songs. I know a song. We are going to a new place.
We are going with a happy face.
A new city, a new start.
A new home inside our heart!
Laughter.
Mama, the road is very long.
Yes, it is, my love.
Is our new home at the end of the road?
Yes, and it's waiting for us.
Look, the sky is pink and orange. It's a sunset. We learned that in school. It's so beautiful.
This bed is so bouncy! Tom, don't break the bed, please!
Bunny needs a good sleep. He is tired. We are all tired. Good night, my loves.
Good night.
Good night, buddy.
Bunny, I miss our room. Lily, are you okay? Mama, will the new house feel like home? Home is not a place, Lily. Home is us, together.
Good morning, America!
Good morning, Dad's weird energy. He is excited, Tom.
We are ready. Let's go. Let's go.
I can see it! I can see the city!
It's so big.
That is our new home.
We made it. The houses have big gardens. And look, there's a basketball hoop over there. It looks so peaceful.
Wait until you see our house.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's actually really nice.
David, welcome home.
Who wants to open the door?
Me. Welcome home.
Are we doing the right thing, David?
I think so. I really do.
I'm scared.
Me too. But we are scared together. That's different.
Wow, this house is amazing. Race you to the window. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Welcome home, everyone.
I love it. Group hug. Best family ever.
The truck is here. Our stuff is here.
Bunny's things.
Unload.
Okay, team, let's unload.
I was born ready for this.
David, where did you put the kitchen boxes?
They are labeled. Look, K for kitchen. This says K, but it has Dad's socks in it. I can explain.
You promised, Mama. I always keep my promises. Now our old home is in our new home. Yes, it is.
This is the best dinner we ever had.
Tom, you're eating off the floor.
I know. That's why it's the best.
In America, I think this is normal.
Mama, I like it here.
Me too, baby. Tomorrow, can we go to the park?
Tomorrow, we will do everything. Everything here is so clean.
This is what a quiet neighborhood looks like.
What is that? That's a squirrel, Lily. They are everywhere in America.
Hey, are you moving in to the house with the red door? Hello, my name is Tom. I'm Jake. Do you play basketball? Yes, absolutely. I love basketball. Awesome. See you later.
That's the park, and that's the corner store, Best Slushies. What are slushies? You don't know what a slushie is? Is it dangerous? Come with me, right now.
Blue raspberry. Classic. Don't overthink it.
This changes everything.
This changes everything. Told you!
Hi, my name is Sophia. I am 5. I am Lily. I am 6. I have a rabbit. His name is Bunny. Can I see Bunny? You can hold him, but only because you asked nicely.
Hi, I'm Linda from number 7. Welcome to the street. Oh, thank you so much. I'm Talia. If you need anything at all, I mean anything, you just knock, okay?
Thank you. You are so kind.
Step 1, step 2, what is step 3?
Dad, it says insert tab A into slot B. Where is slot B?
Right there, Dad. It's right there. I knew that. This looks amazing, honey.
Thank you. I'm glad we're all here. The noodles smell so good. And the dumplings, can I have one?
Of course. Let's eat.
Hey, don't worry. Let's play.
I always miss.
No, you don't. Watch this. Okay, show me.
Yes, I got it. Wow, my turn.
Hey, don't worry. Let's try again. I can't do it. Yes, you can. I'll show you. Okay, here I go. Yes, great job. He's feeling a little sad today. Mine too, but we can make them happy. Let's hug them and tell them stories. Yes, and they'll feel all better. Best friends forever.
Welcome. We're so happy to have Tom and Lily with us.
She seems nice.
Most people are, Tom. You just have to say hello first.
Any questions?
Do you have a window seat?
Sis, we're gonna be late for school.
Relax, we have plenty of time. Want some cereal?
Yeah, okay, but we have to hurry.
Here, I'll pour the milk. See? All set.
Thanks, sis. You're the best.
All right, family, let's get moving.
Yay! I can't wait to show my bunny to everyone. That's wonderful, sweetie. We're so proud of you. Me too. I hope we get to play soccer.
Ready for your first day?
Yes, I'm excited. Have the best day, sweetie.
I will, Mommy.
Okay, see you after school.
Bye! Class, this is Tom. He just moved here. Let's give him a warm welcome.
Hello, my name is Tom.
Hello, my name is Tom. Hi, Tom. Dad was right.
Welcome. You must be our new student.
Hi. Yes, I'm so excited. Hi there. Hi, everyone.
Let me show you our alphabet.
Wow, I love it.
Mama, I made 11 friends and a drawing. Look, 11.
Hey, how was it? It was actually really good. Miss Rivera is amazing, and Jake is in my class.
Hi, I'm Jake. Told him I love basketball.
That's great, buddy.
And her name is Sophia's cousin Emma, and she likes purple too. And Jake said if I practice every day, I can be good.
I can't follow both stories.
Just nod. And then we all went to the playground after. A little to the left, David.
This eye is the left.
Perfect. Now it's my room.
Bunny likes it here. He told me.
Jake is already there. Dad, come on.
I'm coming! I'm coming!
We have an understanding.
Bend your knees, look at the basket, follow through.
Good try.
Closer!
So where are you from originally? We are from far away, but now we are from here. I love that answer. It's new. I am still practicing it. Well, it's perfect.
What are you drawing? Our new house. Why? Because now both houses are ours.
1 month in our new home. How does everyone feel?
I feel good, actually good. I feel at home.
Me too. Me too.
Day 32. The kids are happy. The house feels like ours. Talia laughed today, her real laugh, the one I love most.
This Saturday, our street's annual block party. You have to come.
What's a block party?
Food, music, games, the whole street together. It's the best day of the year. Bunny, we have plans on Saturday. We should bring something. What do we make? Something from home, to show them where we came from.
Good idea, Tom. We make our own food.
I am helping. I am definitely helping. I can see that.
Whoa.
Is this real?
This is real.
This is America.
What is this? It smells amazing. It is our family recipe, from home. Oh my. Oh wow. We brought home to them.
Tom, shoot!
Got it. Yes, that's my guy. 1 month ago, I didn't know what basketball was.
Hello, neighborhood. My name is Lily. I am 6. I just moved here. I would like to sing a song about our new home.
This is our new home where we all belong. We sing together, happy and strong.
Look at this.
I know.
Dad, I think I like it here. Yeah, me too, buddy.
Tom, bath time.
5 more minutes!
You said that 20 minutes ago.
Thomith wasting water.
And so the little girl found a new home, and it was very beautiful.
That's like us.
Exactly like us.
Daddy, are we going to be okay here?
More than okay, my love. This is my room. This is my room.
Do you remember what you said? Before we left,
I said it would be worth it.
was it right to come here?
Yes, it was exactly right. I love autumn.
It's called fall in America. Miss Park told me.
Fall, because the leaves fall.
You're learning.
Welcome, everyone, to our new home.
He's going to be fine.
Okay, everyone, big smiles.
Lily's.
Thank you for watching our story. I hope you learned some English today.
And remember, starting again is not the end. It is the beginning.
See you next time.
Hello, I am Lily. Today I want to teach you 3 things. Number 1, we are going to be okay. Say it with me. Number 2, I feel at home. I say it with me. We made the right choice. Now you know what my family learned.
What did you learn today? Write it in the comments. New English story every week. Subscribe for more. Share this with someone learning English.
Next story, the family's first Thanksgiving.